Hello everyone, today we are going to learn how to convert weeks to seconds. This is a requested video and we are going to solve two examples in this video. For this conversion we need to know few standard conversions which are 1 week is 7 days, 1 day is 24 hours, 1 hour is 60 minutes and 1 minute is 60 seconds. So these are the basic or standard conversions we should know to convert from weeks to seconds. So first we'll find 1 week is how many seconds, and then we can multiply that number with the required number of weeks. Let's find how much is 1 week in seconds. So 1 week is 1 times 1 week. We can write like this, and as 1 week is 7 days, so we'll replace week by days. 7 days. As 1 day is 24 hours, so we are going to write days into hours and hours into minutes. So 1 times 7 times 24 hours is 1 hour is 60 minutes, and then we are going to replace minutes by seconds. So 1 times 7 times 24 times 60 times 60 seconds. So this is equal to 1 week. So 1 week comes out to be 04800 seconds. So this many seconds are there in a week. Now let's see a few examples to convert from week to seconds. So example 1 is, let's convert 32 weeks is how many seconds? So for this conversion we can write 32 weeks as 32 times 1 week, and in place of 1 week we are going to write this number, which is 6,04,800 seconds. So 32 weeks comes out to be 1,93,53,600 seconds. Now let's try one more example in which we are going to take 10.5 weeks is equal to how many seconds? So 10.5 weeks, we are going to convert this into a proper fraction. So this will become 21 over 2 weeks, which we can write as 21 over 2 times 1 week, and in place of 1 week we are going to write 6,04,800 seconds, because we know that 1 week is this many seconds. So we are going to write 6,04,800 seconds. So 10.5 week is equal to, when we multiply this comes out to be 63,50,400 seconds. So this many seconds are there in 10.5 weeks. To convert from week to seconds, we need to use the conversion factor, which is here, which is 1 week is equal to 6,04,800 seconds. Hope this is helpful to you. Thanks for watching.